Made entirely of stainless steel, the Adaptaid case carts ensure safe transport of surgical instruments. The directional lock release is accessible when standing to allow lateral movement. For efficient stopping, 2 of the 4 wheels of the cart are equipped with a total lock brake. To facilitate loading, a magnetic device holds the folded doors on the side. Sliding shelves provide better access to medical devices inserted at the back of the case cart. This helps reduce the risk of musculoskeletal injury. The internal configuration of the cart can be customized by removing or adding shelves. It is also possible to position them at different heights to optimize the interior space for the supplies, surgical instruments, and cases to be inserted. Once closed, the double-walled sealed doors provide additional aseptic protection for medical devices. Fitted with robust, heat-resistant wheels, Adaptaid's case carts are compatible with cart washers.